Hello vlog! Let's go to El Nido, Palawan, and this is also my first time flying on a plane. I am very happy that I got window seat without paying extra for it. Just landed at Puerto Princesa Airport earlier than expected. This is a 5-hour van ride going to El Nido for 700 pesos. This is the street going to my hostel. As you can see, the street is narrow, so I had to walk about 10 meters from the drop-off, and there's the beach already. Hello there, Happiness Hostel, my home for 3 days in Palawan. The reception area is at the second floor, and the lounge area as well. Here is a view of it. Quick room tour. Here it is, the yellow door. Ayan, may full body mirror. That's my bunk. The room is air conditioned for 24/7, pero hanggang 25 to 26 degrees lang. That's why you have the mini fan inside your bunk. Pahinga saglit, shower, and then change outfit. Let's go have merienda mga tita here at Art Cafe El Nido. Sa tapat lang to ng Happiness Hostel. My eyes are already full because of this wonderful view.
Kasi mainit.
I ordered turon and iced Americano. Turon is for 30 pesos and iced Americano is for 180 pesos. Para ka lang din nag-Starbucks pero with this kind of view, super worth it. And they also accept credit card payment, so that's a plus. Ang dami ko nga rin selfie dyan kasi super enjoy ko yung view. After my merienda, I started walking papuntang Vanilla Beach.
I am walking alone. So this is why I like walking. I just cross this so I can see that.
From Happiness Hostel, it's 4.6 kilometers going to Vanilla Beach.
Narating ko rin siya. Naglakad lang ako. Pagod.
Here's the entrance. Meron din McDonald's dyan and the other establishments. When I arrived, I think they're still closed or wala pa masyadong tao. Continue walking until you see this. Wow. So, I am finding my spot, yung perfect spot para sa sunset viewing ko later that night. I reached Las Cavances area. Look, wait for it. Poof. Perfect! The tide is low but a bit rocky. Farms are there taking dramatic shots of the sunset. Of course, me as well. Hindi ko yan papalagpasin. Ayan. Ang ganda, diba? Worth it naman yung almost 5 kilometers walk ko. I headed back to Happiness, took a 150 peso tricycle ride, ate the chicken burger at the terrace while chilling in this swing. I saw this Pokemon licking the remnants of the yogurt in this tissue. Umulan na nga. Luckily, I'm already at the hostel. Kung hindi, may sipon ako nito kinabukasan. Tambay lang saglit and then maya akit na ako sa room ko to get some rest and be recharged for my island hopping tomorrow. Yun lang. Good night!